I hate myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Bflo. Thank you guys for watching. I decided to actually film a makeup look, like an actual look. I have a lot of tips that has helped me, so hopefully it helps you. And so let's just skip this part because I'm annoying and I talk too much. So hey guys, so let me just pause it right here really quick. My A on my keyboard isn't working, so if you see something that's misspelled and doesn't have an A in it, just know my computer isn't working and I don't have internet, so I can't go to the internet and copy and paste, you know. I have to go to a coffee shop and do that. So right now I'm just like, you know, it's just, I'd rather do this than to get Wi-Fi and go to a coffee shop and copy and paste an A. So yeah. I am taking my Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm using the shade C4. It has a little bit of a pink undertone, which I'm not really like a fan of, especially when I'm using my concealer as my eye primer. My skin, she's a little ugly. Once I apply my concealer, I like to pat it in with my sponge and kind of just buff it all in. This has been like a game changer since the beginning of the year. I know a lot of influencers don't set their concealer anymore, so I actually don't set my concealer, and I have seen a big difference as far as like payoff and more vibrance to it. So try not setting your concealer. So new product that I just purchased, also this gorgeous freaking eyeshadow palette from Morphe. It's the 35M. I want to say it's like the bossy something. What is it called? Boss Mood. Damn. It's gorgeous, like raspberries, which I'm like, I love raspberries. I love cranberries. I love any type of berries. So first I'm taking Express Yourself, which is like this green, like a kind of like a yellow green. I don't know, it's more on the greener side. Anyways, I'm gonna make sure my surface is nice and flat. I'm taking a nice compacting brush. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just applying it pretty much on the outer. I'm gonna apply it basically everywhere. I'm also applying it right above my crease. So see how when I look forward, I have this flab here, and it's really annoying because for a while I was feeling a little insecure because I felt like I had to do a lot more work than usual, and I would blend so much and then I would just cut my crease and you wouldn't even see my blend. Like, it was really annoying, but just wait, I got you. So what I do is I apply the shade a lot higher than my crease, and I'm using patting motions to really get like the full effects, you know. Anyways, I like to put it in like a little semicircle, kind of like that. And now I am taking a super tiny blending brush from Morphe. It's the M514. This brush has literally changed my life. I love this brush so much. I have 4 different ones. Taking Stroke of Luck, which is like a lighter greener shade, and I'm going to blend out the edges with that shade, kind of diffuse the harsh line that we have going on here. I hope I don't look too like freaking yellow, like there's too much going on. I just diffused the product just a little. And now I am taking my Morphe 35B palette, and I am going to be using the yellow shade. And I'm taking a BH blending brush, and I'm just going to run that all around like the perimeter. Doesn't this look just give you like money vibes? Like, I'm literally using like the lightest hand. I'm running it all on top of what we just diffused with that light green. And I'm going in with that light shade and kind of just running it right under the yellow just so it can blend together and get that nice gradient effect. I'm going to use the shade Enchanted, which is like this nice forest green shade, and I'm going to pat it on the outer V and take it super high up, like really high up, because I need the shade to show when I cut my crease. And then I'm gonna blend out. I'm using the Anastasia brush that comes in the like ABH palettes. The thing about this shadow that I've kind of like noticed is, since I'm putting it on top of a shadow, I feel like it's gonna be a little bit harder to blend. And initially what I should have done was put the darkest shadow first, because that's usually how I work. But I didn't know I was gonna use this shadow until I was like, I need to add more depth. So maybe this tutorial isn't as good as I thought it was gonna be. Anyways, usually what I do first is I put the darkest shadow first, but for the sake of like my Instagram feed, I didn't want to do something different on this eye and like it not being the same on this side, so you guys know that that's a struggle. I'm just building up the shade and blending it out, building up and blending out. Okay, now I'm going back in with Express Yourself, and I'm blending out the edges. And here I'm just tapping in the shadow because I really want it really, really dark. And in this area, like towards the lid area, it doesn't matter if you get messy. Like, as you can tell, it looks pretty messy. We are gonna cut the crease eventually, so we're gonna completely cover everything as far as like the lid space. Right now, I'm mostly focusing on kind of like this area right here. So like I said earlier, I do have like this super annoying flab, and what I do to kind of like not make my shimmers transfer from my lid to like up here is getting a nice flat brush that looks like this. I got it from BH Cosmetics. It came in a pack. Also, having like a really good concealer brush is like a big key. So I'm going to start really low. I'm just gonna apply like the concealer first, see like what I'm gonna do, you know, all that type of stuff. And then I like to have like my mirror right in front of me because I want my cut crease to be noticeable when I look at you. My camera died, and I was like, no, not today. I'm doing a in-depth like tutorial right now, so please don't play me. I'm going right above my flab. I'm so sorry for this yellow. I messed with my settings and now I'm mad. I'm big mad. I'm just, you know, flicking it a little. I'm kind of picking up my brows like this to like, so it won't be too flabby. I'm patting it towards the center, kind of like this, so it can have a nice blend. Here I'm going in with a super tiny, super brush that I got from Walmart or something, like this. I'm going in with Enchanted and slightly going on top. And then towards over here, I'm kind of just going on top of the concealer a little bit. And then I'm going back in with the yellow shade from the 35B palette. And I'm just gonna pat this yellow right towards this area. And then I'm gonna go in with the dark green that we used from the Jaclyn Hill palette and kind of just add a little bit more dimension to it. So I'm taking Popstar and I'm going to place it right here. And then I am taking Bold Moves with my other finger and I'm applying it right between this very dark green that we have going on from the Jaclyn Hill palette and this shimmer shade. For the lid shade, I am using Beam and I'm using a small brush from Real Techniques. And I'm just tapping it right on top. So now I'm going to do my face off camera and I'll be right back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below, and if you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. I am doing a 500 sub giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. As always, I hope you guys do amazing things this 2018, and I'll see you guys later. I need to stop doing that. It's like actually embarrassing. Bye.